Hello. I found this question on Reddit, and it's very interesting. This person wants to make this part with less than 11 steps. He was told that 11 steps is too many steps. This kind of question is quite challenging because we have to understand something here, that it's not about the number of steps only, it's about maintaining the design intent. Stay tuned. So by analyzing the drawing here, we found something very interesting. The main body of this part is not fully circular. If you look at here, it's 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter. So it doesn't say phi 200. That means this is not a circular, not like this one, phi 150. So that's number one. Since it's not circular, it cannot be produced by revolve. We have to use extrude. The second thing is that this part is revolve. These are extrude, and we have a couple of fillets. And of course, there are internal cut extrude cylindrical. Let's see how we can do this. So this is the part. It was done with 7 steps. Let's come and understand how we did it. So step number 1 is this part, and actually it's like this is a sketch 200 by 200, and the radius is 80, the fillet of this one. If we look back, find this is R80. Okay, so yeah, this is the extrusion by a distance of 200. So this is extruded by 200, and the so this is the plane, drawing plane here, and it was extruded in this direction. Why? Because the reference is the back plane. Okay, I'm using here, I think, the front plane. Yeah. So yeah, extruded, and we have this part 1. Okay, we go to part 2, which is a clear revolve. I did something that I saved 1 step, which I included the fillet within. So the sketch was this. This is the sketch, and I revolved it around the axis. So we have this revolve. So we have 2 steps in 1 step. We save 1 step here. Next, I did this, and here's one of the important tricks. So I extruded this, both of them to the same. We have 1 circle here and 1 teardrop, if you will. So they were extruded the same distance, which is the largest distance, which is this one. It's 300. Yeah. Why I did this? Because I can save 1 step here as well. Okay, so we have this. Of course, if we want to see the sketch, this is the sketch. We have a circle and e-drop or teardrop. Teardrop, yeah. Then we have this revolve. It's cut revolve. Let's see the sketch of this one. It's 2 rectangular shapes and revolved around this central axis. So we get, and this distance, if I look on the other direction, it's exactly in here as mentioned in here. So we have this distance 170. It's from this face 170. That's the big one, 150 internal diameter, and then the other one is 100 internal diameter. So we have these 2, and we have the, let's have a look inside. This is how it looked. Okay, next thing is I did a cut extrude for these two, because we have two holes, one hole in here, one hole in here. The diameters or the radius are in here, 50 and 25. Yeah, 50 and 25. So we have cut extrude, and now here is the trick. So what I did here, I have this cut, this hole cut 15. So I added this cuts as well. So I have the height of these two is maintained as 180. So I have 180. So I'm cutting this piece and cutting this piece plus this all the way through. So this is the cut that I did. It's through both directions. And I get this. Now finally I have the fillet, which I have to add. These are the fillets. All fillets here are 10. They're called 10. R10. This is the fillet, and there's another fillet here. If you look well, you're talking about this fillet, and this is this fillet. It's a strange way to place the arrow. You should not place the arrow inside the hatching. Anyway, so yeah. So here you go. We have this part done in 7 steps. 2, 4, 6, 7. Hope this makes sense. And if you have any question or any note or remark, please add it to the video. Thank you so much.